Here's a ladder. It's made of 1, 2, and 3 parts, and the question is how to use it at different heights. So this portion is lower and that portion is sitting higher. So how to use it on this surface, because this portion is sliding. There is no official manner to lock it. Well, look at that. What if I insert something here? So that's what I'm going to do. Get a stick, insert one end here, get another stick, not a thin one, and insert that there. That's too thick. That's better. So it's holding it here and it's holding it there. One is lower, one is higher, and now you can climb up. Okay, the legs are not exactly level, but it's doable. This stick was broken in half, so don't use dry sticks like this.